Welcome. In this video I'm with the Google Pixel 5a and I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for this device. Okay, so first of all, when you open camera application, we can find a lot of useful options. And first of all, I can show you, for example, how to adjust the brightness level. So as you can see, that's my preview, and when I tap on the screen once, there's two additional bars and we can change the brightness level with the sliders and also adjust the exposure compensation. If you want to get the default setup, you can just click on the screen once. Take a look. It will right now adjust automatically these parameters. Next option that we can use in this device, definitely the volume buttons. They are located on the right side, so we can click volume up or volume down, and as you can see, the photo will be taken. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to record video. When you move this lock, when you move from the shutter to this lock, you don't have to hold this button anymore. So right now we can just record video normally. To finish this video, just click right here and that's it. You can also click and hold on the shutter and then slide, and it will work the same. Next, when you switch between presets, as you can see, we can go for the ultra wide lens, and also zoom feature. You can click and hold already selected preset, and after that you will unlock this additional slider. So as you can see here, we can zoom into the 7 times with this phone. You can also still zoom in and zoom out by pinching screen with your 2 fingers. When you wait for a few seconds, you will get these 3 presets back. Next, we can click in this place where we can, for example, enable camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. As you can see here, we can find the shutter countdown. And we can also go for the more settings where we can find other functions. For example, we can turn off shutter sound. We can go for the gestures. We can change function of the volume buttons. So I just show you that we can take photos with them, but we can also zoom in and zoom out when you switch right here. And let me show you how it works. So right now you can just press on the volume up or volume down, and you will smoothly zoom in and also zoom out. When you go back to the settings, we can also find other options. For example, when we go for this advanced settings, we can enable additional photo format right here. When you scroll down, we can also enable the grid lines, and they help us to take better composition on the photos, as you can see. Next, we can also check the photo resolution right here. The best to stay always with the full resolution, and you can also enable additional video stabilization. Next, when you go for the other modes, we can find, for example, the photosphere, and that's very cool and useful option when you want to show the real view of any, for example, I don't know, street, city, some kind of the building. So you just have to click right here. Basically, the space around you. So because when you take the normal photo, it just looks normal. It's like flat photo. But when you use this option, take a look how it works. I'm gonna show you. So you have to click at the first on the shutter, and then you have to follow the circles, point them, wait until the next photo will be captured by your phone automatically. As you can see, when it's not working, you just have to wait, or just simply put phone in other angle. And when you move forward for other angles, you will find all of these dots around you. Of course, it's not the best tutorial how to take this kind of the photos, because in the some angles you just cannot spot the screen of the phone, like for example right now. But you know what I mean. You just have to capture everything around you, because take a look. As you can see, it goes like 360 view. and I just cannot show you how it works right now because it will take like, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes to catch every angle. But when you click right here, you will find this photo just for the post-processing. And when you click right here, you can just find it. It looks like that. In my case, of course, it's not good, but I can show you for my private phone. I have right here the Pixel 7 Pro, and this mode works the same. So I'm gonna show you how it works when you take the normal photo. If you are interested in, if you are not, you can just go forward with this video. So let me just quickly open the camera, and I'm gonna show you this feature. So just wait a while and you will know what is going on with this photosphere mode. Previously, when I wasn't using the Pixel phone, I was thinking like, it's not that good, it's not something that I need. But honestly, when I was in the Vienna last time and I used this mode, I just say, wow, that's cool. When I show my grandma photos, she was impressed actually. So just few slides and I will get these photos, because I have a lot of photos in the gallery and I cannot find it quickly, but here I have something. Okay, so just take a look. So that's the Hundertwasser village in the Vienna, and that's the photosphere photo taken of this mode. Of course, it's not perfect. For example, when you take a look right here, as you can see, I was taking photo and these people they were walking around, so that's why it looks like this, strange. But if you only capture buildings or objects that are not moving, it will look great. And it works the same for this phone, for the Google Pixel 5a. And yeah, let's go back from this option. Let's go back for the modes. And we can also find this great option, that's the Google Lens. You probably know this feature, but it's really game-changing mode. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network for sure, or mobile data. So let me just do this right now. I'm gonna quickly connect. Let me just hide the password. Okay, looks like it's incorrect, so another one. Okay, and this one is fine. So right now we can go back to the Google Lenses, and right now we are looking for something. For example, I would like to find some information about this device. So what you have to do, just hold it steady, and you have to just point with this camera to the objects that you want to find, then click on the shutter, and as you can see, we will find the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And the cases, there's also the Pixel 6 Pro. As you can see, that's Pixel 7. So that's how it works. If you are looking for something, you can use this. Option. And okay, I guess that's all for this device. That's all tips and tricks that I can show you for the Google Pixel 5a. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.